China is the new empire. I mean, that's it. It's over. It's been over for 10, 15 years, and it becomes more over every minute. It's a phenomenon that is in no way hidden and in no way difficult to discern. Give you an example. This year, like every one of the last 30, the GDP is growing faster in China than here, usually double or triple. This year, the United States will grow 2.5%. China will grow 5%. That's the normal relationship. It's been going on for a generation. I mean, it's over. It's just over. There is a question. The Chinese say they don't want an empire. Now, on the one hand, that could be unbelievable wisdom. Could be. Especially in China, because they had an empire once. They actually are looking at the second time. The United States never had that as a new situation. They want a multipolar world. Xi Jinping says it. He says it repeatedly. And he doesn't say it with a twinkle in his eye. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but maybe we're on the cusp of a different way of organizing the world. We don't have the American Empire, the British Empire, the Dutch Empire, Persian Empire, Greek Empire, Roman Empire. Maybe not, but the American Empire is over. And there's no precedent here. Nobody has prepared the American people. What do you do if the ride up, which was a good ride for 75 years, rising standard of living, people like me went to Harvard, people like you go to Stanford, blah, blah. I mean, I don't know your background, but whatever it is, all of these things are now. And it comes from the change in the world economy.